All right. I found a news that really thrilled my heart concerning Adamawa State. Governor Ahmadu Umaru Fintri, like everybody knows, has really, projected Adamawa State, and has affected it positively. Whoever is accustomed to Adamawa State knows how Adamawa State had been before his arrival. And today, we can see a lot of transformation in Adamawa State. I normally say Fintri is the architect of modern Adamawa State. And this statement is true. Why so? We've seen a lot of infrastructural developments, and we've seen a lot of constructions that have been made, a lot of things that you can walk to other states today and be proud that you are from Adamawa State because of what Governor Fintri has done. Now, back to the issue. Everybody knows that no country can really thrive when the power generation is low. There is no state that can really progress when the power generation is low or close to zero. And this is the bold step that Governor Fintri has taken right now, to subscribe to renewable energy, and in other attempts also to generate 300 megawatts through renewable energy. This is a great milestone. If it happens, I can imagine the kind of progress that we're going to witness in Adamawa State. This is something that really will be, crying for. And I am trusting God that the government of Nigeria will follow suit. The government of Nigeria can learn from our governor, to go this way of renewable energy. 300 megawatts of electricity, can power about 200 to 300,000 homes. This is quite good. And I'm sure with time, the capacity may be boosted. Talking about Nigeria as a whole, the capacity that we're supposed to be generating is about 16,000 plus, 60,000 plus megawatts. But unfortunately, we've been struggling between 4,000 to 5,000 megawatts. As a matter of fact, the highest we reach is approximately 5,615 point something megawatts. For a country that's supposed to generate not less than 16,000 watts. What is our energy needs in Nigeria? Our energy needs was estimated to be around 98,000 megawatts. You can see the reason why electricity generation has been a major problem, or consumption has been a major problem here, because many places are without this energy. As I speak in Adamawa State, almost a month plus, we have no power, no word, unless for recently, I think a few days ago, we saw a letter that they wrote alerting that there's going to be outage in the entire northeast. But then for us here in Numan especially, almost a month there's no Nothing of such, and no word. So it is no longer sustainable. And that is the reason why I see that a visionary leader, such as Governor Ahmadu Umaru Fintiri, has decided to tow this path. This is a kudos to you, sir. This is a very welcome development for what you have done. And we are trusting God that this thing is going to work. The, steps that you have taken to ensure that Adamawa citizens enjoy stable energy supply is a welcome development. Like I said, the federal government can learn something from this. The federal government can even, bring the companies that manufacture these things and make them manufacture it here, and make the price low so that people can afford it. This is the best way to go, because the hydro whatever issue is no longer sustainable. We've tried it for years. Like they said, insanity is doing the same thing over and over, expecting different result. That is what we consistently do in Nigeria. We keep doing the same thing over and over and over and still expect different result. It used to be under government, and it didn't work. They said private enterprise is the way to go. Privatization came. They sold it. Nothing happened. How many years down the line, we are going from bad to worse. So it tells you that this is no longer sustainable. Thank God for visionary leaders like Governor Ahmadu Fintiri, who is actually, trying to revive Adamawa State through renewable energy. So I would like to say congratulations in advance to the people of Adamawa State, and congratulations to the visionary governor, the people's governor. Please share this video. Share it. Let it go around. Let people see it. Let the government, the federal government, let them see this. Let discourse see it. Perhaps they may pick up a challenge from there. Thank you very much.